Delhi's air quality improves to moderate as cold winds bring back chill. Delhi's air quality improved significantly and was in the moderate category on Friday morning. The air quality index was at 173 at 8 a.m. on February 7, according to the sorry, Central Pollution Control Board. The improved air quality could be a result of better weather conditions, but also due to some technical glitches in the weather monitoring systems in the capital. Cold winds and clear skies favor AQI. Cold conditions returned to the national capital with the chilly winds coming from the snow covered mountains in the north. The skies are expected to remain clearer with a shallow fog in the morning and at night. The minimum temperature also saw a sharp drop of over 3 degrees Celsius due to these northwesterly winds that reached up to 30 km per hour in the afternoon. According to the India Meteorological Department forecast, the minimum and maximum temperatures are expected to be 9.05 degrees Celsius and 23.18 degrees Celsius respectively. Technical glitches in the weather monitoring system. The improved air quality comes amidst a malfunction in the weather monitoring system as a real-time data from 34 of 39 air quality monitoring systems went missing in the national capital. This is the third time that such an incident has occurred since January. Earlier on January 1 and 11, air quality data was also unavailable due to the technical issues. The air quality is expected to drop again in Delhi in the coming week when the weather conditions become a little warmer. Grab, Grab Stage 3 restrictions were revoked in the capital on February 3 on the back of improved AQI. Thank you for listening. Thank you for watching. Thank you everyone. Bye.